Welcome to my channel. I'm Age, and today's video is going to be talking about starchy carbs and water weight gain, loss. My plan for this year, 2025. Yes, so first of all, welcome. Thank you very much for giving me some of your time. I really do appreciate it, and I really want to thank the new 7 subscribers that joined my channel this past December for Vlogmas. Very exciting. And whether or not you subscribed, welcome. I appreciate you being here, giving me some of your time. So let's get on with this. Starchy carbs. Pasta, potato, rice, tortillas, flour, oatmeal, popcorn, chips, all the potato chips, the Doritos, all of that stuff, nuts, the list goes on and on. We all know what a starchy carb is. Well, a lot of people can eat all kinds of this stuff and it really doesn't affect them. Other people, like me, I can eat starchy carbs today and tomorrow I can put on 2 pounds. Sit there and judge me, think, yeah, right. Starchy carbs can affect different people different ways. And my daughter is a witness to this. I've proven it. I've proven it. This month, January 2025, the ones digit on my weight went up to a 7. And this is a 10-pound range that I have literally been stuck in for a number of years. And I think a lot of it has to do with the starchy carbs. I try not to have them a lot, but then when I do, I gain some, and then I have to work real hard at losing that. And then I'll have some starchy carbs and I'll gain, and then I work hard at losing that. So that's why I think I'm bouncing back and forth on the weight of the 10 pounds in that scale of the 10 pounds. So my weight went up to the single digit of my weight went up to a 7. So I stopped the starchy carbs. And I'll tell you, the first 3 days was really bad. It was very hard, but I did it for more than a week and a half. I'm glancing at the calendar. I'd say I started around the 12th or 13th. Today, I think, is the 22nd of the month. So what, a week and a half. My weight went from the 7 to a 4 to a 3 to a 0 and then to a 9. The tens digit actually went down 1. Woohoo! So exciting to get down to the next 10-pound group. And yesterday, I had to have something. I don't want to call these days cheat days because, I just don't like that word. Maybe an indulge day or a treat day. I had some pistachios and I looked at the numbers. The carbs were 8. The protein was 6. So it was low carb, but the protein was not high enough to overtake the carbs, if you know what I mean. It was still carbs. And I shouldn't have done both things, but the second thing I also did last night for dinner, I made a peanut Thai sauce for my dinner, which had peanut butter, which Lord knows peanut butter is high sugar, high carb. That is a really big, major starchy carb, I would think. And that's going to be hard for me to like totally give that up. I may not ever give that totally up, but anyway. So I had the pistachios and the peanut Thai sauce yesterday. This morning I got on the scale. I'm up 2 pounds. My singles digit went from a 9 up to a 1. 2 pounds. That is water weight from the Starchy Carbs. I've done some research on this. I may not completely be able to explain it. You can look it up, do your own research if you want, but there's a thing called, what's it called? It's something that's found in carbohydrates, and it attaches to your liver for your blood to use as energy, or your body to use as energy. But what it does, how it puts on water weight, for every 1 unit of this starchy carb type deal, I think it's more of a sugar, because it says that it's not a carb per se, but it comes from carbs. But anyway, for every 1 unit of that, it attaches to it 3 or 4 units of water, which it puts on the water weight. And then I have to work on not having the starchy carbs, drinking lots of water, this, that. It takes days to undo what only took 1 day to mess up. So I wanted something to snack on. I had the nuts, so I tried it, and I thought, let's see what happens tomorrow morning. And it's 2 pounds. My daughter can confirm that. We weigh in often, and we know what each other weighs, and so I wanted to let you know about that is what I'm working on this year, to eventually get to a point in my diet where I'm not eating starchy carbs, or I'm eating very little starchy carbs, and I'm still enjoying what I'm eating, and etc., etc. So I got this chicken recipe book at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make this. I like this because every single recipe has a picture with it. I am going to be making chicken Waldorf salad, and I'm going to take you with. I'm going to be, hopefully I'll be doing vlogs showing you what I'm eating, how I'm making my meals more interesting than just a plain, chicken breast with broccoli. I want to enjoy what I'm eating. So I'm going to make this for lunch today. Bring you along. So let's get to.